everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you a preview of the Redkey USB version 4. I reviewed version 3 previously on my channel, and a company reached out to me again and wanted me to review version 4. So, as you know, the Redkey USB is updatable. Now, the thing is, you have to have the most recent version of the updater in order to update your Redkey USB. Otherwise, the old software will not connect to their server. So, as you see here, I am on their Activate and Update Redkey USB website. So, this is actually really cool the way they did this. So, you have a 64-bit edition of it, and it's good for Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you have a 32-bit version of Windows 10, there is a 32-bit version which I'll get to shortly. So, I already downloaded the 64-bit version. Now you have a 32-bit version as well. So, what's nice about this is, let's say you have a 32-bit system, but you're working on a 64-bit. You download the 32-bit on your computer, you update your Redkey USB, and then you can go to the 64-bit system and then wipe it clean. And it's nice that you could do that. So this software, right now, the Redkey USB updater is also scalable, which is very nice. So I already downloaded it. I thought I downloaded it. I did. Okay. So we're going to go to Downloads, Redkey USB, Show in Folder. We're going to launch the installer. Yes. English, because that is where I'm at. Alright, so it's not detecting a device right now because I don't have the Redkey plugged in, but I will plug the Redkey in right now. Now, I was told by the company that version 4 operates a little bit differently, so I want to see those operations. Okay, so I'm plugging the Redkey itself into my HP desktop here. Alright, so there we go. So if I click refresh, finds it, select drive, see? So here's the cool thing about this. It says warranty date September 9th, 2021, which was last year, to September 9th, 2023, which is next year. So, what I am currently running, here's the cool part about this. This is the software version 3.72U. Software available is 3.80U US. That's what that stands for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to update it. And see how it's flashing. They have a server in Ohio. So I'm going to select that. And this right here is how many times I have updated the Redkey. And yes, I've updated it a lot. Just saying. And when you see red numbers like that, where it says software version, that means that I'm running an outdated version of the software. And it's coming out this month, so we are going to see if it's already out, and then I could update it to that. And it gives me the hardware version of the Redkey, where it says hardware version HWV4. That means it's the fourth version of that particular drive. So, and now it's going to install the software on the Redkey. And there we go. So now I'm up to date. Go in here. Actually, I'll search for it. It's pretty interesting that it's not actually here, so checking existing. So it's going to check it again. So I don't need to do this. Close the application. Okay, so I'm going to eject the Redkey. Now I'm going to use it on my testing station number 1 here. Alright, so I'm going to swap over to that machine. Oh. Alright, so we're going to do delete. Alright, so we'll go down just like last time, BIOS, boot sequence, Redkey, F10. Okay, so we're working with version 3.80. For version 4, I know I said earlier that I was updating it to version 4. Version 4 is not out yet. So I just want to see what 380 has to offer here. Oh, this is nice. So this is version 380. We're going to go for default settings. This looks like it's going to operate a little bit differently, which is okay. It's nice to have a little bit different. There we go. All right. All right, there we go. So just like last time, that is actually very, very different from the previous version. I like it though. It's more of an old school text based, which I really, really like. Ah, there we go. Once again, I do English. Alright, so I'm going to do skip suspend. Alright, so let's see what's here. This is pretty much the same right now. Cool. Now, what you saw when it booted was a little bit different. So, I can purge the Redkey data, view the raw data. I can suspend, unfreeze, system info, clear out the settings, disk selection, rescan disk. Let's do start. Ooh, look at this. Down here, it says enable using voice mode in case screen is blank. What that is for is in case my graphics card goes haywire, I could do what I need to do. So I'm going to suspend it. And if it doesn't wait, this is the computer the first time uh, where the the computer didn't want to wake up, but I found out what the problem was, but I didn't fix it at the time because of I didn't use the computer a whole lot at the time. So all right, let's see what happens. Okay. All right. So we'll go through this again. Now this is the computer. This is not the drive doing this because I put this particular SSD into a laptop and it worked just fine. So I know it's the computer. I have to change BIOS settings and we'll get it fixed. But at least I know that. So everything is all good. And again, this is the way it's loading. It's more of a DOS text type style than the Linux graphical user interface. Now, what's nice about that is it'll actually boot faster. All right, so we're going to load the whatever disk is on that drive. All right, so it's detecting the disk again. Start. There we go. So as you'll see here, it's counting down extremely quick. Screensaver's the same. And there you go. Alright, so I'll be back when this is done. Okay, so I am back. It's been about an hour and 45 minutes, and I have 5 minutes left here. So As you see, this part right here on version 3.80 is pretty much the same. It's what's going to happen here is it'll be done in about 4 minutes. So as you can see here, there's only 3 gigabytes to go. And it's done. And this is the screensaver. There we go. Go to raw data. Yep, everything's zeroed out. Go to view report. Like the last time, just gives you a description of the computer that you are using. Alright, so anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.